Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever.
I'm a little bit excited for this week's video. It's a clean and decorate, which I don't normally do, and I do have to say my decorations are, not up there with all the other YouTube moms and all the other fancy houses that you see all the cleaning and decorating. But I do have a lot of Halloween decorations, and I love decorating for Halloween. So my granddaughter came over this weekend and helped me decorate both the inside and outside of the house. Now, of course, before I do any decorating, I have to do some cleaning up. When I took these bed sheets off of my bed last week, I take everything and I put it in the washer. I wash it, dry it, fold it, and then I put everything back in the same pillowcase to keep it in the same spot. When I took everything apart to make my bed today, there's a pillowcase missing. I looked in the linen closet, I looked in the dryer, I looked everywhere. It just disappeared, like it's a sock or something. When you don't have to stop what you're doing to move the camera, it makes these transitions so much easier. I recruited my granddaughter to help me out here. That's her right there. Hey, Mariah. Do you remember that clock in the kitchen that says 7 o'clock? The battery's been dead for probably a month now. Well, I noticed when I was recording this video, the clock in the living room has also got a dead battery. So I now have 2 clocks with dead batteries, and I still have not put a new battery in either one of them.
High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene, working on our body language.
Shout out to the FedEx drivers who deliver these Chewy boxes. This is a 50-pound box. If I had to deliver 20 of these, 30 of these in a day like they do, I would just look at all the boxes in that truck and be like, nope, I'm sick today. Sick of delivering these boxes. Four. That's the number of days that ladder sat there until I started cleaning again and finally moved it. I almost cut the cord off of this pumpkin because it didn't work last year when I put a new light bulb in it. So instead of doing that, I thought I'd try one more time, and I was so excited when I put a different light bulb in it and it turned on. That thing is probably close to 20 years old. I've had it a really long time, 20 years. I really thought that I had more decorations for the inside of my house than I actually do. The majority of the things I pulled out of those bins is for outdoor decorations, and Mariah and I were too scared to climb up on the storage thing where all of our decorations are kept for Christmas, Halloween, and the various holidays. So we got down only what we could reach without actually climbing on it. So this is what we have to work with today. I got these bottles of potion at Dollar Tree a couple weeks ago. They're so cute. They say like witch's brew and things like that, and I got them specifically to put on that little ledge above my stove. I think they look perfect there.
Baby, I don't want this night to end. No, I can't pretend. I can't control myself. I just wanna be with you forever. I can't believe it. No, we can't.
I struggled so much trying to find things to go on this bookshelf. It's new since last year, so I don't remember what I did to decorate the shelf that was there before, but it was a tall one, and that picture also was not there last year. So it's the first time I'm actually decorating this shelf, and I really don't know what to put where, and I still don't. I think I moved it around again even after I recorded this video because I just didn't like how it looks. Oh my gosh, have you guys ever tried to do this spiderweb cotton thing? I had the hardest time with it. I tried to put it on all the picture frames and little things like that, on all the candles and things all over the house, and I struggled with it so much I ended up taking most of it off because it's such a pain.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, sort out all the lies.
I just want you guys to know how deathly afraid of heights I am. I am scared to even stand on the ladder inside my house, that little one that I use to hang the porch lights. When I have to clean a ceiling fan or something else and stand on that ladder, I'm scared to stand on that one. I am terrified outside to stand on this one because this is the oldest, ricketiest. If you can see it close up, it's like got things that are all bent, and I'm not even sure it's going to stay open when I put the weight of my body on it. But I took one for the team and I got it done.
Just thought I should let you know.
A few weeks ago, I was standing in line at the Kohl's counter to return an Amazon package, and I saw these bats, so I picked them up. And they come with these little glue dots to stick them on the wall, which I was mildly concerned about sticking them up there, hoping they wouldn't pull the paint off when you remove them. And since putting them up there, probably half of them have fallen down, and I have to keep sticking them back up again. So I think I saw someone use painter's tape. I'm going to try that and see if I can get them to stick with painter's tape, because I know that also won't damage my walls, and it should stick up there a little bit better, I think.
Look on my toes, baby, going down, 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 down.
That's all the cleaning and decorating I have for you in this week's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next week.